Hi all, today we take a look at the American coot, a water bird that many people often mistakenly identify as a duck. It doesn't sound like a duck, nor does it look like a duck. Yet many people see it hanging out with ducks, and so they just assume that it's another duck. They usually travel in flocks and can display all sorts of behavior. At times they can be very aggressive towards one another. As they forage for food, here's an example of their aggressiveness. Check out the upper left-hand portion of your screen. Boom! They don't mess around. Here's an interesting moment. Someone tosses a piece of bread into the group. The northern shoveler thinks he has it. The last second, a seagull swoops in and snatches it away. Kindly note, the coots are approximately the same size as the male and female northern shovelers you see in the foreground. They're smaller ducks. Also, the coots, unlike other waterfowl, do not have webbed feet. They have 3 lobed toes. Let's take a look. This is a duck's web foot. These are geese web feet. And this is the coot. They can run pretty fast. They're good swimmers too. Here's a good view of their feet from the front. Coots mate for life. Mated coots have a very nice preening ritual. I found it an extraordinary display. If you watch it closely, I think you'll agree. That's it for now. Thank you for viewing.